into that thing. I can't look at it. That other week, we're having a consultation with my lawyer, breakfast, at Florida. The security guard were beating up some guy, these paramilitary, the private security guys. There's even a video for that. I went alone, well dressed, to go and confront them. Why, Etofi, are you beating this someone? It's a person I never know. But because I'm a revolutionary, being a revolutionary, we're like a pastor. You don't know when does this thing come. Because it's a calling more than it is what you plan for. So when you go there, you will see people, then this thing comes, consumes you. Then you start delivering whatever that you deliver. So you don't plan for such things. It lives within you. It consumes you. It's a calling more than it's actually what you study for or you are playing. By qualifications, I'm a social scientist, I'm a public servant, and I'm also a legal mind. I never studied activism, but it followed me till today.
Njengomuntu oyishanhliziyo kukhona ezinye izinto ezivele zivuke nje ziqubuke ngaphakathi kuwe noma ubungahlelile umuntu wayengahlele ukukhuluma kodwa ngoba into evele ivuke ngaphakathi ezibilini ngaphakathi emntwini avela bese yakhuluma noma bekhona lokho azokwenza njengoba kwake kwangenza lokho nangokunye silapha eFlorida lapha sodla ke sidlo sasekuseni ngibona ke labantu laba abasebenza lapha ke ababhekelele zokuphepha bematasa labetitinya lomuntu lona bemshaya bemhlanganyele asukuma impela ke ngiqhathanizipho la kwabo ngaqonda kuphela mangifika khona ngiyabuza ukuthi nemshayelani lo muntu lo into evele ivuke ngaphakathi angizange ngiye esikoleni ngiyele isimo sokuthi ngiyoba umuntu oyishanhliziyo into umuntu engaphakathi ifana nokuba umfundisi ifana nomoya into avela umoya nje aqhubuke ngaphakathi bese kuvele kuyazenzekela vele kuqapakele ngaphandle.
So I never planned that I'm going to Shoprite to go and speak to the people. It's exactly what happens here when I found one of the legal minds protesting about issues of the magistrates. I went and asked, what are you doing standing outside? Then they explained it to me. I ended up joining them. I was part of them here in this after I attended court some of the few weeks back because I understood their calling and it stayed closer to me. I even promised one of their leaders that we are going to challenge the issue of the judiciary. You can't, in the post-democratic dispensation after 8 years, you still have a judiciary which is not single, united, or which has not been measured. Because all institutions were measured, including DUT, it was measured. It was Sultan, it was Technical of Natal, it became a measure, one vice chancellor, sharing of resources and equal status. If you go to UKZN, before it became UKZN, it was measured because they were separated, these institutions during the apartheid. With the dawn of democracy, then Natal, University of Natal was measured with Westville, they became UKZN. Now, why in South Africa you still have your high courts which are separate from the magistrate courts? But when you look at the benefit, those who do the less job at the higher courts and you go up, they are highly paid and have more benefits. Those who do the day-to-day jobs of dealing with criminals from all walks of life, they are less paid and they have less benefits. It is my struggle as an activist, if I'm a man of integrity, to stand for the truth, nothing else but the truth, to pursue. So it's a feeling, it's a calling, it's what you are called for to come and pursue. I never came here to court to come and join them, but I found myself at the center and I said, this issue I'm taking up and it must be my issue, I must lead it.
Into leveli vuke ndiqubuke kwazise into engahleliwe kanjalo ke njengoba kwake kwenzeka nana ngangila ngihambela micala mangiyaphumela ngaphandle ngiyababona abanye lana bangaphandle lapha bayabhikisha mangiyathola abantu abazimantshi labo ngathi mangilalela ukuthi inkinga yabo yini ngayithola nami sengiyingcenye yabo impela ngazi ngenza ngisho izithembiso zokuthi lolu daba sizolisukumela ngoba asikwazi ukuthi emva kweminyaka ema-30 entando yeningi kusekhona isimo la kubonakala ukuthi ezomthetho zisahlukanisiwe igatshana kuthi laba bale phezulu bahola kakhulu bebe benza umsebenzi omncane bese kuthi laba babhekana ke namacala lawa insuku zonke beyibona bangaholi ngendlela into engafanele ngabe njalo leyo into yavele yayivukela kimi ngaphakathi into othi njengomuntu oqotho omele iqiniso angikwazi ukushiya kumulenga kunje ngoba kunje kufanele kulungiswe.